Hey, are you looking for a ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial when you want to go from zero to expert with easy funnel building? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to review ClickFunnels, and I'm going to go over some of the things that you'll need to know about getting ClickFunnels and how you can actually uh, design very nice pages for your business and be able to do it very easily without any hassle, without any tech overwhelm, and be able to build and grow your business effectively and in the most efficient way possible. So in this video, I'm going to go over that right now. So let's get started. And right here, I'm going to start off with the price of ClickFunnels. So, ClickFunnels here is for the annual, here's for the monthly. So per month is $97 per month, and here's the things that you get from it. So you get team members that could work on it up to 3, and then you get 3 workspaces, and then you get all this other stuff. And here's the pro version. So the pro version is kind of the same thing, but it has more workspaces and more team members that can work on your stuff. So ClickFunnels is a company that's been around for a while. They're very well established. And if you have any questions, your questions are down here. So you want to take a look at this portion as well. But basically, ClickFunnels is that platform that you can have a 14-day free trial, and it's good to know how to use your tools. So whether you get this or you get something else, it's good to know how to actually use them, right? So you don't want to buy something and not know how to do it in an effective way, right? So a lot of times people will go and they'll buy something and they will struggle with the tech of it, right? And the tech holds people back from building their business online. So whatever it is that you use for your business, make sure you dive into it. Don't just buy something for the sake of buying it. Make sure you actually dive into it and look over how to use it and go and practice using it so that way you actually know how to do it. And ClickFunnels has been around for a while. They have a very good reputation as far as funnel building tools go. But you will just have to dive into it, right? Because it can get a little bit techy, and you want to make sure you're okay with tech. You want to make sure that you're okay with being able to manage it and being able to actually get results with it. And people often come to me and they buy, traffic, and I tell people to brand themselves first, no matter what they send traffic to. Have your own funnel, and when you have your own funnel, make sure you're branding yourself and not the opportunity that you promote. And I always suggest keeping things very simple. The less technical, the better, right? Keeping things very simple is what's going to help you to get results. And I build out pages that are branded to me. So under this video, you're going to see a page that I actually built, and it was actually built by my team. So I didn't do it specifically, but I have a team that actually builds stuff out. And here's the tool that I use to be able to do that. So if you're looking for something that allows you to easily go and edit stuff, I'd highly suggest taking a look at this tool right here. So this has your contact manager in here, so you could see all the contacts. This has a lot of different features. You could tag where things are coming from. You could add whatever you want very easily. And the cool thing about it is you could come in here and we have a section. So if I want to add a page, is all I do is click on add a new step and then add a page, and then it's going to take me to a place called the template club. And in the template club, you have a bunch of different pages that you could select from that are um, professionally done and professionally created to help you to be able to get results, right? So you don't have to go out there and buy professional pages. You don't have to upgrade to any crazy plans. You don't have to do all that stuff. In this tool right here, it also allows you to um, manage people's funnels. So, I have people that I work with. I could easily go inside their funnel just by a toggle, and they have given me admin access to their funnel. So it's very easy to go in their funnel and be able to help them with whatever they need. So if somebody needs something, I just click on their funnel and I'm able to access their funnel. I'm able to help them easily without any tech overwhelm. And it helps if you're building a team or you have somebody that you're working with to easily be able to manage. And I don't need any login credentials to be able to do that. And this tool right here is only $25 per month. You get a $20 per month in residual income, and you also get this for your $25. So you get access to the Funnel Builders Academy, where we actually show you different things. We show you how to integrate your business domain. We show you how to get that and link it up to your funnel builder. We show you how to do the DMARC, SPF, and DKIM setup. We show you how to actually build out your pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to do a hero page like the one that you just seen, how to do a URL redirect so you could redirect people from your domain. So if you have a offer that you're promoting, if it's an affiliate offer, you can redirect people from the domain. We show you how to do different things, how to share your funnels, how to track leads within your builder so you can know where every single lead is coming from. If it comes from Facebook, YouTube, Google, if it comes from paid traffic, you would know that. How to do exit pops to keep people on your website in your sales funnel. You want to do an exit pop that keeps them on the page. How to sell your own products, so you could do your own products with this tool, right? So with this $25 funnel builder, you can actually build out whatever you need in your marketing, and we pay you a $20 per month in residual income. So imagine getting paid for your tools, right? And for the $25, you get access to all this stuff. You could build a membership site, you could do upsells and downsells, you could sell your own products. It's just phenomenal what this does, right? And then you also get 2 weeks free of coaching. So we have daily hands-on coaching on how to do marketing. So we show you how to actually do different things, and we show you over the shoulder. So we do over the shoulder training. We show you how to rank videos. We show you how to record your videos, how to rank them, how to get them in the search, how to optimize them. We show you how to write emails that serve and sell. Then we show you how to connect with people on social media. On our live calls, we have live daily hands-on calls. So you get 2 weeks free of the hands-on daily coaching, and that's this section right here. And also in the video portion, we also have how to do different things. So how to launch your own business, how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to do easy button YouTube, how to do Facebook marketing, how to do podcasting, how to get leads on LinkedIn, how to get leads on Facebook, buy lives, right? How to do different things in your business. This portion right here shows you how to do a launch, and then we have page strategies as well. So in your page strategies, we show you how to do low cost lead generation for local businesses, how to do solo ads, how to do text message marketing, how to do YouTube automation, which is a big thing right now, how to do Facebook ads, how to do Facebook video ads. So we show you all that stuff in this portion right here, which is all about getting your traffic. And then you could come on the calls, and if you get stuck, you could get your questions answered, right? And you get 2 weeks free of that when you sign up for the funnel builder tool. And after that, it's $125 per month, and you get a $100 per month in residual income. So let's say you're trying to get to a residual income of, let's say, $3,000 per month with a funnel builder tool and coaching, it's going to be only 25 people. Only 25 people when you're at $3,000 per month. And it's a really, really good way to actually be able to work with people and talk to different people and be able to help people build whatever kind of business they want. And that's the way that I found to be most successful, right? So if you're looking to get started and try this builder out and be able to use this builder to build your business and get the 2 weeks free of coaching, make sure you click on the link below this video. You will come to a page that will allow you to actually sign up and find out more information. And you can actually get your hands on this stuff that will help you to build and grow your business online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And if you need some traffic, there's going to be a link to my traffic store below this video as well. There's also a link to my free Facebook group. You can get it in it where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them below this video and I will be happy to help you and answer your questions. So leave them below this video and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.